in her hand. The dove stands for unity, peace, harmony, whereas the book stands for knowledge, power, and education, and the diya stands for enlightenment.
We are here to represent that Onam is not just a festival of colors and flash, but it represents unity.
Apart from this, the dove also stands for the fact that peace begins with a woman's dignity.
An educated woman uplift a family and make responsible citizens.
We therefore thank you all for providing us this wonderful opportunity to express our creativity.
Nandi.
First, I'd like to thank Vidhyalaya School for inviting me to this function. Onam is celebrated very grandly here. Students are making a lot of colored rangolis and the flower arrangements. Attapookalam, which is very nice. And the presentation, the theme they are taking, it's also very, very nice and representing their true essence of the Kerala nation. It's very nice.